Hello brothers and sisters, this is a continuation of HTML forms. In the previous tutorial, you will learn how to add a button to your inputs. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a multi-line text area. So let's get started. Okay guys, I will put my text area immediately after the password so that the button will be below them. Alright? Let me paste it here. So the text area is defined by text area tag. You can see here. And the height and the width are determined by these two attributes here, the rows and columns attributes. So now we have said the rows will be 10 and the columns will be 40. Alright? Let me save this and then refresh my page. You can see now we have a text area here. We can write so many lines here. Okay, let me put a break here because the button is displayed side by side with this one, with the text area. Let me save this. Okay, now we have our button here. Does this one really need to be labeled? Yeah, you can label it, but I will just say, I'll just put a caption here. Then I will say message. Close my caption. Save it. Okay. Now it is displayed here. Let me put a break. Save it. Okay, now we have it here. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. Now you have learned how to add this text area here. Okay, in the next tutorial, I will teach you how you can add a placeholder. Like this username should be displayed here too. Alright, I will teach you that in the next tutorial. See you there.